Hello again! Today I'd like to share a few tips with you on how to use a Miele vacuum cleaner. Before you begin vacuuming, adjust the telescopic tube to your height. This will be easier on your back. Simply pull on the tube and allow it to click into place. If you have different types of flooring at home, you can use the universal floor head, which is really practical because it can be adjusted to the type of flooring you have. This setting is right for hard surfaces. Here we go. For carpet, I set the floor head so that the bristles are retracted. In order for the floor head to glide easily, I also set the power level to the carpet setting. It's absolutely no problem if you vacuum something up by mistake, like this sock. Simply release the air valve and pull the sock back out. Three additional accessories come with the Miele vacuum cleaner to vacuum objects such as this armchair. For this appliance, they're stored here under the lid. The accessories can be attached either to the suction tube or to the top of the handle. The upholstery nozzle is best for this armchair. It can be used to remove lint or even animal hair easily. This is a crevice nozzle, which is a great tool for vacuuming narrow gaps. And the dusting brush here, with natural bristles, is particularly suitable for delicate surfaces, ideal for when you just want to do a quick and thorough dusting. This is where you'll find the dust bag and filters. The colour of the holder indicates which dust bag is the right one for your appliance. The bag fits into the vacuum cleaner perfectly so that no dust will escape. Thanks to the special material composition, Miele dust bags last a particularly long time and filter even the finest of particles and odours. It's a good idea to check how full the dust bag is from time to time while vacuuming. There's an indicator on the appliance to show you this. If this window is completely red, then it's time to change the dust bag. You can also check it by running the vacuum cleaner at maximum power and raising the floor head off the floor. When the bag is full, you can remove it easily by pulling on the loop. The dust bag closes automatically and you can dispose of it hygienically. Then simply insert a new dust bag. The motor protection filter should be replaced after about a year. In addition to the motor protection filter, there's another exhaust filter which must also be replaced. The time strip will let you know when it's time to change this filter. When you insert this filter, press the green arrow and over time the bar will be filled with red. When this strip is completely filled, then it's time to replace the filter. By the way, for pet owners and allergy sufferers, there are other special exhaust filters which can absorb very fine particles and odours. Now I'm going to change the floor head to the parquet brush. Once the brush is clicked into position, you can start vacuuming. This model is supplied with the parquet brush. However, you can also purchase it for any other Miele cylinder vacuum cleaner. I love using this brush on my parquet floor because it's very soft and it doesn't scratch the floor. And with this flexible joint, you can reach into every corner. With a long cable, I don't even have to change sockets anymore when I'm vacuuming my flat. When you're finished, simply rewind the cable automatically. To store the vacuum cleaner, retract the telescopic tube and park the floor head on one of the sides. This will depend on whether you're right-handed or left-handed, or how it will best fit into your cupboard. I wish you lots of fun with vacuuming. Should you have any questions, simply visit the Miele website. See you soon!